Hi there, this is Dave with Homeschool Tracker. I wanted to spend a few minutes going over what we call the smart entry fields in Homeschool Tracker. Now, the first place you might run into a smart entry field is on the lesson plan screen. So if I jump over here to the lesson plan, I can click on this link, which will allow me to choose the lesson plan that I want to currently view. So if I begin typing into this smart entry field, you'll notice that as I type, the field searches my list of lesson plans for names that match the characters that I'm typing. So in this case, I can choose Ancient Roman Literature and click OK to load it right up. Now, one trick I like to use is instead of actually typing into the smart entry field, I hit the space bar, basically entering in a blank space. And what this does is it searches all of my active lesson plans and just displays them in a list. So if I don't know the exact name of the lesson plan I want to load up, or if I just want to see all of them, I can go ahead, hit the space bar, choose which one I want, and click OK. And that loads it right up. Now you'll see these smart entry fields all throughout the application. So for example, if I go over to the agenda and I want to create a new assignment, I can go ahead and choose my student. And now these four fields right here, subject, course, activity, resource, and location, these are all smart entry fields. So I can go ahead and hit the space bar here, choose my subject and course. Let's go ahead and pick that one. Activity, I can choose that one as well. Resource, this searches all of my active library items. So I can go ahead and pick the resource that goes with this. And then the location, that searches all of my locations. So as you can see, I can quickly add in all of the required fields that I want for my assignment. Now real quick, I just want to show you where it's pulling this data from. So if I go back here to the Manage List section of the menu, you can see I have activities, assignment locations, courses, chore names, grading scales, all these different things. And so those smart entry fields we're pulling from these lists. So for example, we took a look at the locations. So if I click on that, you'll notice I have these three locations right here: home, Chicago Botanic Garden, and A Joyful Noise. And so if you remember, when I hit the space bar on the location field, it pulled those three items in. If I wanted to add more items, I could go ahead and add them right here. Additionally, you can add them directly from the smart entry field. So for example, if I was back over here in location and I didn't want one of these three, I wanted to add a new one, I could add it right here. And when I go ahead and save this assignment, it'll add that new location to the location list that I have over in my Manage Lists area. So that does it for smart entry fields. They can be a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of them, I think you'll find that they're super fast and really helpful for navigating around Homeschool Tracker. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@homeschooltracker.com. Thanks for watching.